Welcome back. You're watching News X. I'm Uday Pratap Singh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has attended a special program marking the 350th martyrdom anniversary of Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur, the 9th Sikh Guru in Kurukshetra. Addressing the gathering, Prime Minister Modi has paid tributes to Guru Tegh Bahadur, calling him the repository of truth, justice and faith. Recalling atrocities during the Mughal era, Prime Minister Modi said Guru Tegh Bahadur displayed bravery and helped Kashmiri Hindus who were forcibly converted to Islam. He also said Guru Tegh Bahadur never compromised on principles, even during Aurangzeb's rule. He even dedicated his head in penance to protect religion. As India celebrates the pride of the Sikhs by remembering Guru Tegh Bahadur's 350th martyrdom anniversary, here's another key battle that we want to remind our viewers about: the Battle of Chilianwala. It was fought on the 13th of January 1849 during the Second Anglo-Sikh War. It took place near the village of Chilianwala alongside the river of Jhelum in present-day Punjab, Pakistan. The Sikh Khalsa army led by Raja Sher Singh Atariwala comprised around 30,000 to 35,000 highly disciplined soldiers supported by over 60 heavy guns. In contrast, the British East India Company forces led by General Sir Hugh Gow consisted of approximately 13,000, 14,000 men and 66 guns with many second-line troops. The dense jungle and tall grass on the battlefield restricted visibility to less than 100 yards. Despite this, Gow ordered a frontal assault without proper reconnaissance. The Sikh Khalsa unleashed close-range fire, shattering British formations. The British cavalry charges were repulsed with severe losses, and several infantry brigades were nearly annihilated. The battle raged for near roughly 5 hours, with fierce hand-to-hand combat until darkness brought the engagement to a halt. British casualties were staggering: 757 killed, over 1,650 wounded, totaling around 2,600. Sikh losses, though heavy, were marked lower, with over 4,000 soldiers martyred. The battle was one of the bloodiest days in British Indian military history. It's a story of valor that should be remembered across generations. Joining us live, RP Singh, BJP spokesperson, R. Ramneek Singh Mann, Sikh rights activist, is also live with us. Dr. Amit Rai, Jain, author and historian, joins us live in the broadcast as well. RP Singh, what are the lessons we can learn from the Battle of Chilianwala, which showcased Sikh valor and Sikh bravery?
Well, if I have to sum up in one word or one line, it is that the blessing of Gurus reflected in Chilianwala. And it has been there throughout. I mean, it's not Chilianwala only. I mean, I still remember Maler Kotla, 1872, if I remember. Some 49, in Indian history of independence, only 49 people were blown by the barrel of gun. And there were 6. And among them, there was one who was shot at. I'm just quoting it this way, that because it is Guru's blessing that leads to the valor to the Sikhs to fight any war or to give the supremest sacrifice when it comes to fighting for the cause or fighting for the dharma or for giving life for the dharma. Sorry. So 49 Sikhs gave their life, and then they were blown by the barrel of the gun. So was Chilianwala. I mean, they fought the toughest battle. And then that's what history tells. And it is all because Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji laid his life for dharma, for cause of dharma. And he is known as Hind Ki Chadar because the dharma means Hindu, and then he gave his life for the Kashmiri Pandits. When no one could even dare to raise a voice against Aurangzeb at that time. The belief is that he will weigh something like 50 kg of Janeau every day, and then he will have his breakfast. Man, how much conversion he would do. And he was a terran. I mean, he took the life of the 2 young children of Guru Gobind Singh Ji, Chote Sahibzade. And they also gave their life in a similar fashion as their grandfather or as their great-great-grandfather Guru Arjan Dev Ji gave his life. So there's a history of sacrifice, and it started with Guru Nanak Dev Ji when he said, "Jako prem karan ka chao sardar chali meri gali aao." If you want to love me, you must have your head on your hand and then come to me. So that's how the Sikhs have been inculcated with the ingrained with the thought of giving sacrifice for cause, for the dharma.
Ramneek Singh Mann, let me also draw you in here. There are many Sikh battles, of course, which can be remembered for the bravery and valor. But what stands out in the Battle of Chillianwala for you?
Well, I'll come to the Battle of Chillianwala in just a brief bit, but since we are commemorating the sacrifice of Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Sache Badshah, so I must add two verses. One is Dharam Het Saka Jin Kiya, Sees Diya Par Sir Na Diya. So he sacrificed his head, but he could not bow his head before Aurangzeb, like R.P. Singh Sahib was mentioning. What also stands out in from the life of Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib is also that he had two names. If there are very few people who know about it, as a matter of fact. His first name was Tyagmal, and during the Battle of Kartarpur in 1635, when he had fought alongside 6th Padshah, Guru Hargobind Sahib Sache Padshah, the Mughals were 52,000 in number, and there were names like Kale Khan, Kutab Khan, Pande Khan, Anwar Khan, Khoje Anwar, Azmat Khan. These were the people on the side of the Mughals, and on the Guru side, there was Guru Hargobind Sahib Sache Pasha, Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib, Bhai Bidhi Chand ji, Bhai Gurditta ji, Bhai Jati Malik ji. So these were the people on the Sikh side fighting. And they were in all 1800 Sikhs fighting against 52,000 Mughals. The final result was 50,000 Mughals were butchered, killed by the sword of then Tyagmal Guru Tegh Bahadur, who, because the valor of his sword, which is also known as Tegh, was named Tegh Bahadur. So that is the sort of valor that he had. And later in his life, he sacrificed his life and he proved his second name Tyagmal also. So those are the sorts of, sacrifices, the history of valor, not just sacrifice, but also valor that we should remember Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib with,
Yes. Let me, in fact, also get you in here, Dr. Amit Rai Jain, on the Battle of Chillianwala, which does stand out amongst, all the battles in Sikh history. Why is that, according to you, Dr. Jain?
देखिए, चिलियनवाला का जो संघर्ष है वो पूरे भारतवर्ष के अगर युद्धों के इतिहास की बात करें तो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण इस वजह से भी है कि भारत में जितनी लड़ाइयां लड़ी गई अंग्रेजों के और भारतीय समाज के बीच में, उसके अंदर कहीं ना कहीं अंग्रेजों की साम्राज्यवादी नीति का कारण रहा, और वहीं हिंदुस्तान के अंदर जो लड़ने वाले लोग थे वो आम जनसाधारण थे, किसान थे, और उन लोगों ने भारत की अस्मिता की लड़ाई लड़ी। कहीं ना कहीं धार्मिक रूप से उनके अंदर अपने समाज को बचाने का, अपनी अस्मिता को बचाने का, अपने साम्राज्य को बचाने का और भारत की जो सांस्कृतिक परंपरा है उसको बचाने का मादा भी था। और चिलिया वाला की जो लड़ाई है वो ये बताती है कि जिस तरह से, जिस अदम्य साहस के साथ वो लड़ाई अंग्रेजों के साथ, ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी के साथ हुई, उसके अंदर हजारों की संख्या में सिखों ने अपना एक तरीके से प्राणों की आहुति दी। उसके बावजूद वो हटे नहीं। इतने बड़े साम्राज्य के सामने ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी जैसी ऐसी दुर्दांत जो सेना थी, जिनके पास अत्याधुनिक हथियार थे, उस वे में अगर हम देखते हैं एज ए हिस्टोरियन, तो भारत की जितनी भी लड़ाइयां हैं, सबसे बड़ा खूनी संघर्ष चिलियावाला के अंदर हुआ, और वो निर्णय की स्थिति का नहीं था। यानी कि जो युद्ध लड़े गए उनके अंदर ज्यादातर युद्ध निर्णय तक पहुंचते थे, लेकिन इसमें कोई निर्णय नहीं हो पाया कि ब्रिटिशियंस जीते हैं या सिख धर्म या सिख समाज के लोग लड़ते हुए अपनी प्राणों की आहुति देते हुए वहां पर लड़े। क्योंकि जो इतिहास है वो बताता है कि वहां की इस लड़ाई में जो कत्लेआम ब्रिटिश हुकूमत के द्वारा सिख समाज के लोगों का हुआ, उसके अंदर इस कदर वहां पर मारकाट मची कि हजारों हजार लोग वहां पर शहीद हुए, और शहादत के बाद भी वो जो युद्ध का परिणाम है नहीं आया। लेकिन जो आज हमारा देश अपना सर उठा के खड़ा है, भारत आजाद है, आजाद हिंदुस्तान के अंदर अगर सिख समाज का योगदान आज, क्योंकि बहुत महत्वपूर्ण अवसर है, 350 साल वर्ष पूर्व गुरु तेग बहादुर साहिब जी की शहादत हुई, उसको पूरा देश उस शहादत को नमन कर रहा है। देश के प्रधानमंत्री कुरुक्षेत्र में हैं और वहां पर इन सभी सिख इतिहास का, सिख समाज के योगदान का भारतवर्ष के इतिहास में नमन करने का अवसर है। तो इस समय पर चिलियांवाला जो युद्ध हुआ, जो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण युद्ध है, उसको भी वहां पर उकेरा गया है, बताया गया है, समझाया गया है। तो मुझे लगता है कि वो देश के आजादी आंदोलन के इतिहास में सर्वाधिक महत्वपूर्ण ऐसा युद्ध है जिसके अंदर हजारों की संख्या में एक ही दिन के अंदर एक समाज के बहुत बड़े महान योद्धाओं ने देश के लिए अपनी शहादत दी।
तो आपको लगता है कि आज़ादी के मूवमेंट में एक ये बहुत एक अहम पन्ना था, इससे बहुत बड़ा सेटबैक हुआ ब्रिटिश को, एंग्लो इंडियन कंपनी जो है उनको काफी बड़ा सदमा पड़ा इस युद्ध के पश्चात? अमित जी
जी जी जी देखिए, आपने बहुत महत्वपूर्ण सवाल किया कि ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी ने, लॉर्ड डलहौजी ने, जो चीफ अपनी आर्मी के बनाए थे, लॉर्ड डफ थे, उनको उन्होंने उनकी रणनीति के कारण अपने पद से हटा दिया। और ब्रिटिश हुकूमत के अंदर ये बहुत कम हुआ है कि जब उन्होंने इतने बड़े ओहदे पर रखे हुए आदमी को एक युद्ध के बाद हटाया हो। और उसके बाद बहुत बड़ा सेटबैक ब्रिटिश हुकूमत को लगा और उन्हें अपनी रणनीति को सोचना पड़ा। हालांकि उसके कुछ महीनों के बाद ही, क्योंकि जनवरी 1949 वो 49 के अंदर 1849 के अंदर ये चिलियांवाला युद्ध हुआ था, और फरवरी में, एक महीने के बाद का जो युद्ध है ब्रिटिश हुकूमत ने लड़ा, उसके अंदर हालांकि उनकी जीत हुई और सिख साम्राज्य को पदस्थ कर दिया गया। लेकिन इस युद्ध का परिणाम इतना अधिक भयंकर था कि सारी ब्रिटिश हुकूमत भारत से और लंदन तक काम गई थी। और उनका जो यूनियन जैक था, उस समय एक विशेष सेना उस जैक को इसकी सुरक्षा करने के लिए लगाई जाती थी
जी।
और सिख साहिबजादों ने, सिख जो समाज के योद्धा थे, उन्होंने उस ध्वज को बिल्कुल पदस्थ करने का, यानी कि धूल में मिलाने का काम उस समय किया, जो कि एक बहुत बड़ा सेटबैक, एक बहुत बड़ा झटका ब्रिटिश
was it the strategy, was it the Sikh valor, what led the British side to face such a big defeat in Chilianwala, Ramnik?
In this, there was the unrelenting attitude of the Sikhs. Despite heavy losses on the sides of Sikh, the Sikhs were relentless, and wave after wave of Sikhs kept coming, and the British had to face the brunt of Sikhs. There were cannon fodder. There were 3,000 plus martyrs on that day in just 2 hours. And that shook the British Empire to its core. And they had to rethink their strategy on how to deal with Sikhs and how to, move forward in Punjab. So I think the valor of Sikhs, whether it was in the Battle of Chilianwala, was a watershed movement when it came to the British, because it was probably for the first time in many years that the British Army lost their colors in a battlefield. So that is also, I think, one of those moments in the British history, in the military history, which is remembered in the Anglo-Sikh wars, when they lost their colors in a battlefield.
Yes. Appreciate you joining us. To all our guests with your perspectives on this big story. Taking a short break on that note.